Now we're going to use the LoadVars class to load variables from an external text file into Flash. There's a few steps to doing that, so before we actually get into that, we're going to do some setup. In this FLA file, I have two layers, one called text and one called actions. Select the blank keyframe on the text layer. Select your text tool. Make sure you have dynamic text selected. Select a font, font size, color, etc. Make sure this is set to multiline. I'm selecting show border around text and make text selectable. Draw a text box on the stage. Press escape to deselect it. Click in the instance name area and give it the instance name txt_info. And I'm going to go right here where it says var, and I'm going to give a variable name, info. You may not have used this area before. This area is how you associate this text block with an external text file. We're going to do that a little later on, so if it doesn't make sense, it's okay. Select the blank keyframe of the actions layer and open up your actions panel. Type var space my LV in capital letters, colon, LoadVars with a capital L, capital V, semicolon, type enter to go to the next line, type my LV, capital letters, space, equal sign, space, new, space, LoadVars, capital L, capital V, open and close parenthesis, and semicolon. The first line of code says to create a variable called myLV that is of the type LoadVars. The second line of code says the value of myLV is a new instance of the LoadVars class. The parentheses here tell Flash to actually create the instance. This line of code is kind of like if you have a symbol in your library and you drag that symbol onto the stage. This is what the second line of code is doing. It's creating a new instance of the LoadVars class, or you can think of it as like a LoadVars symbol.